Oh, what's going on, people? It's Black Friday. What is going on with you today? Working at home, doing job training, got a class. What is your Friday like the day after Thanksgiving? How was your Thanksgiving? Did you eat a lot of food? Do you got any leftovers? Do you eat leftovers? I love leftovers. Other than that, I am out here getting me a good walk in. It's kind of windy out here. I'll show y'all the wind blowing in a second. Show y'all the wind blowing in a second. See these trees right there? It's telling me that it's windy out here. They kind of stop right now. Barbershop. It's windy out here. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here real quick and talk about a few things. Talk about some liars. We got people that do a lot of lying. I don't like a liar. Just tell me the truth. Not me personally, but just tell the truth. Or don't say anything at all. Shit, you're better off not saying anything at all. Stay silent. But lying is contagious. Lying makes things more difficult. Just tell it how it is, how you feel, or whatever. Or don't say anything at all. Because when you're lying, it just complicates things even more. Stories simple. Simple to the point. Don't exaggerate. Don't mention. If you think you gotta lie, don't even bring it up. Or why do you have to lie? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Some people get with their girlfriends and start acting different. Trying to do what their girlfriends are doing, or their boyfriends. Sometimes it's dudes. Sometimes it's dudes, Just, not honoring the friendship, the relationship, or whatever. But get with certain people. Start taking your hair down, or you let your hair down, you let your guard down, you start doing things that you don't normally do. Some of us too old. Like shit, I'm 57 years old. You think I'm about to be influenced by somebody to do some dumb shit? Now, if you're influencing me to get money the right way, I ain't talking about teaching me how to sell pussy, or do other crazy things. But we have some bad influences, and also we got peer pressure. We're trying to fit in. We think it's cool. Um, and it's a sad reality of what's going on these days. It's been going on. But stay true to your principles. Honor your dignity. Have some class. Some people talk about how they friends got 2 and 3 boyfriends and this and that, and okay, so that's your friend. So sometimes people can't be friends with people like that and not be doing it themselves. Kind of it's hilarious. So that comes back to the lying and all that other stuff, and you're hanging out later than you normally do, and running around lying, which is acting like something you're not. But I don't know. So all you can do is just sit back, hope everybody stays safe. You want people to be happy. You don't want people to live with regret or whatever. But don't get out there and change up your game. Stick to your plan and execute. But I don't know. I just don't like a liar. I tell that to anybody. I do not like a liar. Like I say, you don't have to tell me anything, but don't lie to me. Don't lie in my face. And once again, happy Thanksgiving. Bye.